So this is the poop of the luwak,
Yeah,
or the
poop.
civet cat.
Yeah.
It's called luwak in
And this is coffee bean already clean.
We sell coffee
And then coffee
in
bean already clean, we roasting
Vietnam and
until
Alamid
1 hour
in
until change
Philippines.
color, out aroma until black color.
And they strain it like that.
And this is yellow turmeric, yellow turmeric in Bali for spices and
Turmeric.
cooking, for make curry,
Yeah.
yellow rice.
How about beef rendang, no?
Yeah, and this is white turmeric for spices and cooking, and this is ginger, and this is cocoa bean already dry. We process and make chocolate. And this is galanga for
Yes,
spices and
yes, I like kalanga.
Yeah, and this
It's
is
a little to
clove.
ginger.
We have galanga in Philippines.
No. All ginger.
And this is a kilo normal coffee. We roasting until 1 hour, change color, out aroma until black color.
So this is the traditional roasting of coffee here in Bali, Indonesia. Is this still Ubud town? Ubud?
Yeah, and this is still Ubud. And this is Ubud center from here until 5 kilometers from here.
This is JCO.
Jayco Donuts?
And this is donut, Balinese donut.
Oh, it's not Jayco Donut.
And this is papaya.
So
And
this is Tebasari Farms here in Ubud, in Bali, Indonesia. And me, the Macho Mike.
Rujak.
Rojak, yeah, fruit. Rojak.
Oh,
No, different kind of fruit.
Langka. Para sa ano?
Rojak. Also Malaysia, they have rojak
Rojak.
with the.
And this is spread kasapa.
Mhm.
Yeah, like that.